Let's go. You already know it's your boy Marketing with Dom. And listen, when I come on here, I give it to you hot. I'm going to give it to you straight. And I'm actually going to teach you how I do it, right? This is one of the softwares I use, which is Taja AI. Listen, the link is down below. You already know I'm an affiliate marketer as well, but I always teach you the things I'm actually using for my top clients to help them grow their page. Now, today we're actually going to put together SEO for video today. And right now we are doing a pre-Black Friday launch. So I want you to understand the concept of why I'm doing this, okay? So let's say my clients wanted to do a Black Friday launch right now, and you got to have a digital marketing team. It means you landing pages, ads, all that. But we want to get that out a lot faster. Then we're gonna take this video, like a live video of them talking with an offer for people to get in right now before Black Friday. And what I did was I sifted through a couple different softwares that I'll show you actually. Let's get the other ones. Actually, I'm on the other one actually recording right now. So one was Riverside, which is what's recording this. And then once we recorded this in this format, what happens is I use Taja after I put everything in there to get this first. Okay, so first of all, what it does is transcribe it. It's really based off of using YouTube and the viral-ish high volume automation style and really getting the SEO. This is why it's important, because honestly, this takes hours. And I think a lot of times people don't have the money or the wherewithal to hire all the people they really need to have a powerful digital marketing strategy fully. And when we're talking about 10xing your stuff on YouTube and using AI, you need the AI to be combating with what it is doing, right? So it needs to be doing how I raised $50 million in a week passive income, okay? So it's telling me that it thinks that could be the idea. It took the transcript. It took all the information in there, how-tos, the secret of financial freedom without real estate, right? All of these things, passive income, here and how, right? So what I'm doing is now getting all this information, and I'm going to use this for my advantage, right? The very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. I'm probably going to have to delete some of these, but oh, that's for the description. So, right, so this is the whole thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of these, right? I'm going to do that. I'm going to go to the actual video on YouTube right now. This is how we do it, right? The reason why is because this is an educational-based video. I was tripping. Okay, so this isn't the new video. This is the old video. Okay, so I uploaded it. So we did it live. So just so you know, two things that we did on the platform is that one, we did, and I'm trying to explain it all with the ad. We did the video live on the YouTube channel. And then from there, I downloaded the video itself over here, pre-edited a few different adjustments so that we can then go live, right? I use Riverside to automatically edit the long form video and made it a little bit shorter, and then to readjust what we're doing in here. Now, this is a whole new page. I'm going to drop this video now, and we're going to use it to promote it directly. Here's why we're doing this. First of all, speed matters. Now, if I was going to have to build a whole major campaign for a multi-million-dollar company, you think you got to do all that. But what we're going to do is skip all of that. We're going to put the video directly on YouTube, and we're going to run ads for people to watch it and offer them a chance to set up a call after this long video training. Now, depending on what we're looking to raise, the product can be anywhere from $3,000 up to $10,000. And therefore, just getting people to watch the video and learn the lesson and giving them an offer, you get a chance to get them to convert. Now, we're going to see how that works. Now, the reason why this matters, because the skipping people, which people don't pay attention to, is all the money it takes to get a website developer, all these other kind of things that need to be connected to be able to really get to that next level. So here, this is why the SEO is important. So first of all, I got to delete some of these things. Freedom and liberty. Let's go. Most people aren't searching for Q&As. Those are questions asked. So what I'm basically doing is saying I need 800 here, so I got to delete some for Black Friday special pre-launch. I want to make sure that's in there. So let's go with, that's a question. Let's delete some more. Bless me. Oh. Bless me. Oh, snap. You know what I'm saying? These videos be real. I'll be right in the moment. You know what I'm saying? So, so I'm doing this because I need a certain amount. But what I'm looking for also is I'm looking for videos to titles that may be long. How did you get rich investing in notes, right? I want to keep some of these because this is all SEO, search engine optimization. What is the borrow doesn't pay? I want to keep that. Let's see what else is in here I may want to get rid of. Don't really need to explain it. I like the Black Friday edition. How to get started in notes. I kind of like that too, but I like the Black Friday offer. Let's go. Scenario foreclosure. Let's do that. Keep that one foreclosure. Keep that long. Necessarily, people don't search for what if you borrow doesn't pay. I like that. Rhino method questions. I like those ones. Got to get rid of some more, though. Let's see. Let's get best kept secret in real estate. I think we can get rid of that. I guess we'll have to. All right, cool. So first thing I'll do is save it here. Now, so that's one. I'm just saving this, the ability to function out levels in the video where someone could search for that title or calls, right? So that's what I like. I like doing these videos. I like to do them with you right here on the video. And I'm going to express just this process. There'll probably be more videos of us as we're launching it. So we're there, then I'm going to go back to Tajay right here, right? I'm going to go up to the description. Unlocking the secrets, it's kind of bringing together overall all things that are there, right? How he raised $60 million in a week, passive income, right? So he's going to talk about all these all these things, these major hot points inside this long form video. And the long form video is live and also interactive. So we want to build a different type of watch, questions being asked that sometimes you may not have been able to fulfill, right? So if you shoot a video randomly by itself and you put it out there, you may not be able to answer to the questions. And the reason why we do it this way is because we're able to answer to the questions. When you're able to answer the questions, you can do so many more great things. Now, so I'm going to put all of that underneath the video. Here, let's go to the other video. I think this is it. Okay, cool. I think that's what was happening. All right, cool. So I'm going to go to the live video. Go here. Bam. So I have the video for them to become, set up a call, learn more about this. Always say just see where you're getting things from, right? I posted that live while I was on there, right? 50 people on there. 50 people. We got one person set up. Now, I think we have 3 now, actually. So it was 3 after the hour-long video. But now the context of the video, the live questions there, we're going to put it all here. We're going to put it in both places so that it's searchable. What just happened? Is that crazy? Did it do me dirty? That's crazy. Either way, I guess I didn't save it. Save it, I guess. Do it that way. Cool, now I got to redo this thing down here. So I don't know, you guys don't want to watch me do that. So I'll probably be a little bit more sloppy on this one only because of speed. Or I don't want you guys on the video forever watching me do it again. Oh, no, it just popped back up. Okay, whatever. Now it's back. All right, whatever. Let's go how to. Bam. So it's going to put like a how to, right, in front of kind of how these sections are, how to, right? How to do the Rhino method, how to gain $6,000 to $10,000 a month with these guys to be able to do that. And that's how I use Taj AI to literally grow. Of course, I would have done other things if I didn't create my own things, but I wanted to kind of break down a simple way to do that. I hope you guys appreciate it and watch more videos. Make sure you subscribe. Talk about how you can use more and more AI to grow your business. Let's go.